stock trading or share trading is the branch of financial astrology. Here the main houses is 5th house, 9th house and 1st house. 1st house is the ascendant. Ascendant should be exalted, own sign or friend sign, together with moon. Now 5th house is the house of luck. 5th house lordship should be strong. 5th house posited planet should be benefic with respect to the 5th house. Now the 9th house is the fortune. Fortune's lord, that means 9th house lord and 9th house posited planet is another important points. Here, when benefic aspect is coming from auspicious planet to the 9th house or 5th house, it gives good result, native can invest and can get profit. But when the malefic planets giving aspect to the 5th or 9th house, or there may be Papkattari, 5th house under the Papkattari or 9th house under the Papkattari, there is also problem for getting good result or profit from share trading. So these two houses, 5th house and 9th house, is very much important for stock investment, for share trading. Now for luck factor, not only 5th house, Rahu is very important. Rahu's placement, where Rahu when placed in 11th house, or Rahu placed in 3rd house, Rahu placed in 6th house, getting good results. Sometimes 8th house Rahu, when it is strong, then it is also giving a good profit to the native. Now last but not the least, it is the Mercury. Always Jupiter is important. Jupiter is wisdom, Jupiter is knowledge, Jupiter is finance, Jupiter is wealth. But Mercury is the intelligence. In which stocks the investment will be there, how much investment will be there for the time, that will be coming from the Mercury. So Mercury is very important planet for the stock brokers, for the stock traders. Now here huge amount of profit sometimes coming and sometimes loss will be there. Those are in the long term in the stock market, they are generally get profits, but they generally short time traders not get so much results. So this is the gist of houses and planets which will govern the share trading. The native, those have 5th house lordship strong, 11th house lordship related with the 5th house, and 9th house should be exalted or own sign or friend sign. Then they are getting so much profit from share trading or stock investment. Now we are coming to the chart to analysis some stock breakers. First of all, we are taking George Soros, the US's one of the famous stock traders, and is one Warren Buffett. So much money he is accumulated from the share markets. Just like Warren Buffett, he also have so many business policy. George Soros, he is of the actually Hungarian American businessman. Second man is the Indian highest rich stock traders. It is the Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Both the chart will be analyzed how this chart is helpful for the share trading. Second famous share trader or stock investor, George Soros, is well known to all of us. His date of birth is 12/8/1930 as per source. Time of birth 2:10 a.m. Place of birth Budapest, Hungary. He is Hungarian American businessman. Now the bar chart is there. It is the ascendant is Gemini. Jupiter is present in the ascendant, getting too much directional strength, giving 5th house aspect to the 5th house. So 5th house, the house of luck, The native gets so much luck for investing and getting profit. Not only that, ninth aspect coming to the ninth house from Jupiter. Here moon is placed. There's one type of Gajkesari Jog is formed here. And the fortune favors George Soros for investment in stock market. He is one of the best stock businessmen or stock investor and getting so much profit, making so many companies in USA. Now, in the chart of D9, Navangsha Kundali of George Soros, here is Jupiter is present in the 10th house in the Pisces sign. So Lagna Lord Jupiter is very strong, that can be checked from the D9. Not only that, here the Lagna Lord Mercury is placed in the 3rd house. Mercury is the main player of stock market. That Mercury is placed here in the Virgo sign in D9 chart. So Mercury gets too much strength, and so the George Soros gets success for his Mercury and 11th house Rahu. Now we are coming to the Indian Warren Buffett. He is called Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. He is called Indian Warren Buffett. His date of birth is 5th July 1960. Time of birth 12 p.m. Place of birth Mumbai. Now this is the birth chart of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, and here is the D9 chart of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Both the chart is consulting here with. In this chart, the 5th house lord Saturn posited with Jupiter making yogas in Sagittarius and aspected by Sun and Venus both. So here result coming from the Jupiter, Sun, Venus, all the 4 planets giving the result of 5th house. So the Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is very much lucky person for getting so much profit. Not only that, Rahu in Leo sign giving good results. Rahu is one of the main planet for share market. In this case, in the 10th house, Sun-Venus combination is there. That is also good for any kind of profit. In his D9 chart of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, the Jupiter, which is placed in the 4th house, it is placed in the 2nd house with Venus. That is why he accumulates so much money by trading or by investing, and his 2nd house is so much strong, Jupiter-Venus combination. It is the Venus own sign, Jupiter is placed here. Again in this chart, the Mercury, the ascendant lord, is posited in the 11th house of Cancer sign, not so strong. But in the 11th house, result will, he gets too much benefit. This Mercury in the D9 chart posited in the Virgo sign. So here Mercury is very strong. That means 11th house result, that means income, that means profit. Jhunjhunwala gets so much profit by his trading. So both the chart D1 and D9 of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala positive for trading in share markets.